morning dear students. So today we will cover some points and the exercise 8.2. So the first point is VAT, value added tax. This is a tax which is taken by the government on the any kind of product. When we are buying something or purchasing something from the market or from a shop, so the particular item has fixed value or fixed VAT. Every kind of items have fixed amount that is taken by the government as a tax. It is collected by the shopkeepers from the customer. Okay, nowadays we are knowing this tax as a GST, good and service tax. So this is all about the value added tax VAT. Now we are proceeding for the exercise 8.2. The first question is, a man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find his original salary. That means the amount that he got on the current time, we do not know about that. He got a 10% increment, that means something extra. Okay, so the amount which is given as an increment is added with the original salary and it will become a new salary. Suppose that the salary was 1,000 rupees. So what will be the 10% of 1,000? It will be the 100 rupees. So this is increment. So increment will be added with the original salary and it's become a new salary. So 1,000 plus increment, which is 100 rupees, will become 1,100 rupees. This will be the new salary for an example. So let's proceed. We are not knowing about the original salary, so let it be X. So the original salary be X. It is given that new salary is equal to 1,54,000, and as we know, original salary plus increment will become the new salary. So what is the original salary? Original salary is X, and increment, how much increment is there? Increment is 10%. 10% of X, that means 10% of 1,000 for an example. So 10% of 1,000 plus it will be added with 1,000. That will, after that it will become the 1,100. No, for an example. So the increment of original salary will be added with the original salary. Okay, so original salary is X and 10% of X will be 10 upon 100 into X, and it will become 10X upon 100. This is the remaining the same. Now X do not have the denominator, so let it be 1, and LCM of 1 and 100 will be become 100, and 1 will divide 100. So for your understanding, we put it here 1. So 1 and 100 will be become 100 LCM. Now X will divide 100 by 100 times and it will be 1 will divide 100 by 100 times and it will multiply with X. Now similarly here X will divide X, 100 will divide 100 and it will become 1, and 1 will be multiplied with 10X. So we get here 110X upon 100 is equal to 1,54,000. Now 110 upon 100 is a fraction. When a fraction is transferred from one side to another side, it will become the reciprocal. That means 100 will be numerator and 110 will become denominator. Now 1010. Okay, so 11 1 ja 11 and 5 is there, so remaining 4 and 4 will be become 44. When you divide this number by 11, you got 14,000, and here 10 is also remaining, so we have to write here the remaining numbers. Now it will be multiplied to each other and it will become 1,40,000. What we get here, X is equal to 1,40,000, and X was the original salary. Thus The original salary was 1,40,000. This is the solution of the question number first. Second question is, on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? So the next question, question number 2. In this question it is given, on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. Number of people are 845 who are visited the zoo on Sunday, and on Monday only 169 people went, okay, to the zoo. You can write also. Now, so here the number of people are more, but here it is less. That means it is the case of decrement. So decrease in the number of people. How many people decreased on the next day? We have to just subtract these numbers by greater number to the smaller number. So we get 676, the decrease number of people. And now we have to find the decrease percentage. Okay, so percent of decrease. Here how we have to find decreased number of people, how many people are decreased, we have to write in the numerator, and total number of people went to the zoo on Sunday is 845. So 676 upon 845 into 100, we are finding the percentage. That's why we have to multiply the 100. Now we have to simplify this, reduce it, and find a number. So as we can see here, 845 and 100 will be divisible by 5. So we have to divide it. So 100 will be divided by 20 times by 5. So now 5 ones are 5, carry 3, 5 6 are 30, carry 4, 45 become 9 ja. And here these are, this is even but this is odd, so it will not divide. 13 ones are 13 and 13 3 ja 39. Okay, 13 5 ja 65, carry 2, 13 2 ja 26. Now 13 4 ja 52. So we get 4 into 20 is equal to 80%. So here just focus and do not be confused, because this is some complicated division here. So you have to do by attentively. So this is the answer of the solution of question number 2. So 80% people are decreased as compared to the Sunday to Monday. Okay, so that's all for the question. So the next question is question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. That means the selling price of 80 articles is given 2,400. So we have to find the selling price of one article. So it is given that the shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400. So the cost of one article will be 2,400 will divided by 80. So we get 30. Now profit percentage is given, which is equal to 16%. Okay, so what is profit percent? Profit percent is equal to, this is the formula of profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100, and this is equal to 1600. It is given in the question. So now profit in amount we do not know, so we have to find this amount in this question. So CP is given of one article will be 30 rupees into 100 is equal to 16. Now profit is equal to, we have to find, so we have to transfer all the numbers from LHS to RHS from so 30 will be in division form, it will be converted to the multiplication form, and similarly 100 is in the multiplication form, it will be converted to the division form. Now 0 and 0 will be cut, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16 we get here. So profit is equal to 8 into 3 by 5 we get from here. Now 8 3 is 24 upon 5 we have to divide, so rupees 4.80. So 0 is not there when we divide, but we are finding the cost, so we have to put 80 because this will be the count as paise. So only 8 paise will not be there, there will be 80 paise. So the selling price of the one article, this is the profit taken by the shopkeeper in one article. So it will be, profit will be added with the cost price of the article. So the CP plus profit will be equal to selling price. So 30 plus 4.80 will be 34.80. That means on this price the shopkeeper buys that article and he takes this amount extra in one article when he is selling it. So when he is selling one article, he takes total 34.80 rupees for one article. So that's all the solution of the question number 3. So the next question is question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. 450 rupees were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, so find the selling price of the article. So this question is as similar as the previous question. Here the cost of an article is rupees 15,500 and there is an overhead expense. Overhead expense, that means some extra amount which is given in the sense of repair, transportation or something extra work or labor charge. So 450 will be the overhead expenses that will be added with the cost price. So the original cost price of article is 15,500 and the overhead expense will be 450. So when we add this one, it will become 15,950 rupees. So this is the total cost of the article and it is given that the shopkeeper sold it on the profit of 15%. That means profit percentage is given 15%. So what is profit percentage? Profit upon CP into 100, which is equal to 15%. So now profit in amount we don't know, we have to find that one. CP is given, so 15,950 total cost price of the article will be taken here, CP. Okay. Now 100 will be repeated, 15 will be repeated. Now profit is equal to, all the numbers will be transferred from LHS to RHS. So 15,950 will be multiplied because it is in the division form on the left hand side and 100 will be become the denominator because it is in the multiplication side on left hand side. So now 0 and 0 will be cut, 2 5 ja 10 we get, 5 2 ja 10 we get and 5 3 ja 15. Now profit will be 3,515 and upon 2. All the numbers are remaining from here, so we have to write it down here. Now multiplication of 1,595 into 3 will become 4,785 upon 2 will be revised. Now when we divide this number, we get 2392.50. Only 5 we get, but this is in amount, so we have to put it 50 paisa, not only 5 paisa. So now we have to find the selling price of the article. Selling price, what will be the selling price? Cost price plus profit, as similar as the previous question. So what was the CP? Total CP is 15,950 and the profit what we found here we have to write here. Now we have to add this number and we get 18,342.50 paisa. This is the total selling price of article. So that's all the solution of question number 4. And one more thing, all the theory, all the question whatever we had covered till today, you have to write in your notebook. Daily wise you have to write whatever the syllabus we are covering day by day. In the same way, day by day you have to write in your notebook also. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.